Craving a warm, hearty, and comforting bowl of soup? Today, we're making classic pork nilaga, tender pork, sweet corn, and fresh veggies simmered in a rich, flavorful broth. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Mince your garlic, chop the onion, cut the pechay, and slice your potatoes and sweet corn into bite-sized pieces. In a wok, heat a splash of oil and sauté your garlic and onions until fragrant. Add your pork and mix well, searing until lightly browned. Season with 4 spoonfuls of fish sauce and a generous pinch of ground black pepper. Stir well so the pork absorbs all those savory flavors. Pour in water until the pork is completely submerged. Mix well, cover, and cook for 30 to 40 minutes until the meat begins to tenderize. Uncover and add your sweet corn and potatoes together. Stir gently, cover, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the potatoes are tender and the corn is sweet. Drop in 2 pork broth cubes for an extra rich and flavorful broth. Mix well, cover, and cook for another 3 minutes. Finally, add your pechay on top. Cover and let it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes so the leaves stay bright and crisp. And there you have it. Our comforting, piping hot pork nilaga is ready to serve. Pair it with warm rice and a side of patties with calamansi. If you love this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe for more comforting, easy dishes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Happy cooking!